up on the next roof. Gonna try to get one more done. It's cooler today than it's gonna be tomorrow, so gotta try to get through these and make for a better summer. I'm gonna go through and pull all the lids off first, and then that'll speed things up, hopefully, to assembly line style. All right, preventative maintenance continues. I'm just gonna pull like 6 at a time and do them all in one shot. So a little bit of assembly line style. And discharge and discharge. 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 In theory, you can jam through these pretty quick. In theory. Okay. Discharge. 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 And discharge. Okay. Now, disconnect all the start wires. And the fan. Start wire. Okay. This one would definitely be easier to switch around. So I'll do that. Okay, disconnecting the fan wires on that one. Disconnecting all the start wires right here. And the fan wire right there. Okay. That one's a 45.5. This one's a 45.5. This one, oh, I think the orange wires were common. Purple is start, and brown is fan. And I'm going to write that inside there because it can be confusing for whoever. So purple is start. Purple start. Okay, already got 45.5 in there. Okay, and brown is fan. Brown fan. Okay. Two more to pull off, and then I'll go through and test them. Okay. Here we go. Start. Okay. And okay. Hi. Oh, stubborn. Okay. There we go. All right. Okay, microfarad test. Here's the 5. And go through and test them all. 4.94, it's good. 33.82, it's good. It's getting close, but it's still good. Okay, here's the 35. Oh, I was getting part of the hard start kit on there. And you know what, I forgot to check the hard start kit on the last one. 34.45, it's good. Here's that little Mars one. Uh-oh. 5.11, it's good. Good, good, good. So I reconnected that one and check the hard start kit here. And 45 and 50 will be good. Let's see what it is. It's 49.9, it's good. Alright. It's good. This one, just going to check the hard start kit. Right here. $49, so that's good. This one would be a little better to flip this way so that it's readable. Not that it matters, anyone should know it's a 5. But there we go. Okay. It's good. Next is the 45 5s. Okay, here's Common and Herm. You gotta get that purple wire out of the way. It's messing me up. Oh, what's going on there? There's 4.93 for the fan. Something weird on the 45. Look at that. Well, I'm going to need to pull the commons and take a look here. It's a weird one. There's the commons. Yeah, we got a bad cap. Nothing's connecting. Well, that's what we're here for. So this has a screw that holds it in place. These are like recessed in. Two screws. It's a Sefco 455. Let's take a deeper look here. Herm common. It's bad. It's just registering off limit. And go common and fan 4.93. That's good. But yep. Did I get a connection? If I tap it, see that? Just gotta pour. Push on it. And I'm going to change it for sure at this point. It's bad. I need a 45.5. Hopefully I have something that can fit in there. I did not have a 45.5, but what I do have is a 45 and maybe and a 5. I need to test this. It was out of the box. So let's see if it's a 45. Ooh. Could it be that my setting is bad? Okay. I'm going to come back to this one. Test the next one. Make sure it's not my tester. Oh, I don't think it is, but yeah. It's an odd one. Okay, here's a 45 and a 5. We've got it disconnected. Maybe it's something on my meter. 44.9, there we go. And common and Herm. Come on. There we go, 44.5, that's good, and the 5. Yeah, there we go, that one's good. That's good. So that was the 5 in the back, and that's the fan. Okay, here we go. Good. Now let's go recheck that. Maybe I just bumped something. Maybe I don't even have a bad. There we go. That one's good. I'm gonna go grab my other deal and check that, because maybe it's not bad at all. And if that's the case, well, at least I caught it. And can bump something with the meter, and I need to figure out what that setting is. So always learning more. Okay, here's the cap setting, 4.93, and capacitor Herm, 45.3 is good. Okay, well, could be worse, right? At least we've tested it, found out it's good. I didn't need to do all that, but I did. At least we know now. So, common's going to be there, and there, and there. Okay. So, always got to check the meter settings too. It threw me off a little bit. There we go. And should test the hard start kit down here. Where is it? Right here. $47.8. It's good. Okay. And now the Herm start wire. There we go. Yay. Caused myself a little bit, but that's okay. Kind of neat how this capacitor is. I guess it adds as the fan is blowing, it can cool it off a little bit. All right. Okay, 2 more to go. Threw me off a little on my assembly line style deal. But kind of amazing what an AC will put up with. If these can endure some less than perfect conditions. 34.10 is good. I'll show you what I mean in a second. 4.94 is good. Alright, right here. Look at the bend in that. And it's still working good. And it's been 30 years. You know, it's been like that for 15 years and still working good. No problem with starting or efficiency or anything. Not really a point in doing anything about it now. I mean, you could, but it's working, you know. What are you going to do? It's working, it's working. Better. Okay. All right. Oh man. One more to check. 40/5. I've got to look up what the bullseye function is. 39.57, that's good. Yep. 4.95, that's good. Alright. And I should check the side start kit too. 48.3 is good. Okay. Now ready to put all the cover or put all the disconnects in and test it out. Good for a little better for the feet. Stand up for a minute. Put all the disconnects in. Okay, ready to go through and check all these. Power's live, so I need to be real careful. Power comes in on the bottom. I was here the other day and checked this one. I just wanted to verify that, you know, we got power and everything. Doing the assembly line deal. Good. This one you could just jump across from the bottom to the top, but to test it, because it's got a solid connection on one side already. Yeah. Very nice. There's always a number of ways to do things. Little dust cover keeps the dust out of there. Alright, a few more to check. Nice day. Yeah. Good. Seen that one running the other day. Alright, this one's got a cover on it. And this is a dual side capacitor, so in order to, you'd have to jump both bottom and from the bottom to the top. It's a little bit easier, I think, to take the cover off. Good. Next we'll just peek at the fan baffles and make sure all that is good. Be careful here. It's all live power to the bottom. Alright, all of our units are working good. I just gotta put the covers back on, and yeah, then it's on to the next 6.